Everybody is talking about using AI in order to make money online. So today I wanted to test something. Your boy is currently using AI in order to build a profitable online business organically using 100% free traffic. And I asked AI to tell me the fastest way in order to do this. So now the question is, did this actually work? Does AI really understand what happens in the real world? In this video, I'm going to show you my AI prompts. I'm going to show you how to build the online business, the structure of what it tells me to do. And I'm going to give you my recommendation as to whether this actually works or not, because your boy is 10 plus years in the game, over $500,000 in sales and affiliate commissions. If you're new here, my name is Antonio X. Carter of Emancipation Occupation, helping you get freedom from your jobs and documenting my journey of building a successful, profitable online business. No ads, no big following in this case. I recently hit my first 100 followers on Threads, so now I'm also going to be turning that into income as well. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and jump right into this thing. First thing we need to do, I'm going to be using ChatGPT. You can use whatever AI platform that you desire, but let me flip over to my screen because the first thing I'm going to ask is, if someone wanted to make money online as fast as possible, where should they start? And it gives us a list of things already. I can see where I'm going to go because that's what this channel is all about. But I totally agree with everything that shows on the screen. But before we dive deeper, right, one of the biggest mistakes that people make when it comes to AI, especially as a beginner, is that they try to make something new. They think that they have to have millions of followers and go viral. And they just think they have to do every single thing from scratch. But ladies and gentlemen, that's why there is a proven blueprint and you do what already works. And this is what AI is trying to show us. So instead of doing all of that crazy, silly stuff, wasting time, energy, and effort, let's go ahead, take AI's advice and plug into something that already is working. So one of the things that it tells us is high ticket affiliate marketing. Obviously, that is music to my ears because already, as AI is telling you, that the product is already made. You don't have to create something new. All you need to do is just sell it. You're making $500 to $1,000 of commission in your pocket. You make the money fast, and then you exit stage left. You don't handle fulfillment. You don't handle refunds. You don't handle follow-up. You don't do any of that stuff. You just simply help make the transaction happen. And then it tells us that you only need 1 to 3 transactions really to make a good income. And this is all without building a crazy business. Listen, I know somebody who's currently looking at buying storage units as a business, and the most that they're going to make is $26,000 in 12 months. The investment is something crazy like $300,000, $400,000. You don't have to do that with affiliate marketing. At $3,000 a month, that's $36,000 per year using this strategy alone. If you're able to make $1,000 commissions, tell me that's not worth it. Now, I currently have a lot of products in which I promote that brings me $1,000 commissions and up. It's something I specialize in. I just don't really find the reason to not do that because you're going to use the same amount of time and energy to promote a ticket that brings you $7.86 of commission. That same amount of work can bring you a $500 commission. High ticket affiliate marketing, that's just where it's at. So now we ask, what should we sell? I just told you about affiliate marketing, but obviously you don't have to create a product. Now, if you want to create a product, you can create digital products. It does very well. I would recommend that you start off with selling something for $17 to $27 in the beginning. You can create the product here in ChatGPT and then ask it to copy and paste something inside of Canva with graphics. ChatGPT can even create graphics for you. However, the use of Canva makes things look much more professional. You can edit things. It looks really nice. Download it as a PDF and you'll be able to actually sell the bad boy. How to actually sell it, I'm going to get into that here in a second. But the first thing you need to do is drive traffic to your offer. I just told you that I got my first 100 followers on Threads in as little as about 6 to 7 days. Threads has been good to me so far, and I'm looking to get my first affiliate, well, really digital product sale. Then I'll move on to affiliate sales later on after I prove it. But this interaction here on YouTube is one of the methods, one of the traffic methods that I use in order to drive sales. Some people use TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest. There's so many out there, and they are absolutely free. Go ahead and take advantage right now before any of that stuff changes. But you don't have to use ads. And so with me, I have mastered about 2 to 3 platforms. And with this, I send them over to a product of mine where I get $1,000 commissions. This $1,000 commission anybody can gain access to, shows you how to build an online business, a profitable online business. A lot of the methods I actually do in my business is in this course, plus a whole bunch of other stuff created by 6 and 7 figure marketers as well. And they do a deep dive into other stuff, and they meet every week, like 2 or 3 times a week. It's a real phenomenal community. I recommend it. It's called the Pop Community. I recommend it. The link is down below. You can get access to the $1,000 commissions once you purchase the product. You're not going to be able to gain access to it in any other way. But listen, all you need to do is just make one sell, and you've already made your return on investment. So now I gave you a whole bunch of information. Let's go ahead and package it up really nice. Let's break this down into an actual system, how you're really going to make this work for you. The first thing you're going to do is pick a high ticket offer, just like AI recommended. In our case, we're going to use the Pop Community and video course. This is going to bring you $1,000 commissions. You're going to use a simple platform. That simple platform is going to be Threads. It's going to be Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. I'm only going to stick with those so far. I'm a huge fan of Threads and YouTube at the moment. You're going to post, if you're on Threads, 5 to 6 times per day. It's only a text platform, so you can also use the in-house scheduler to go ahead and just post things ahead of time. That way you're not doing it every day, every second. You just sit down for 15 minutes, schedule your posts, use ChatGPT itself to help you develop the posts and grow your business. It's that simple. YouTube, I create these videos. You can create long form like this, or you can create short form videos. Then after all of that, after you've selected the product and a platform, you're now going to create that product. You're going to post things about your wins. You're going to become a testimonial of the product itself. You're going to go through some of the trainings and talk about what's good and what's not so good, the tips. You're going to talk about your journey, my journey as far as going from my lights being cut off because I was being negligent to making $500,000 in affiliate commissions and sales. I can talk about those things in all of my content. You also want to talk about results, how you overcame struggles, and most importantly, you're going to solve the problems that people are experiencing and how your product can resolve it, how your product is the solution. All of these views are going to point over to your platform, and they're going to click on your profile links where they will go over to your store. Now remember, I told you, how in the world do you actually sell your product? That link is going to go over to something similar to what's called a stand store. Stand store costs like $29 a month. I have a free solution for you. I've built my own landing page using something called System.io. All you need to do is click the link down below in the description, and you can import it into your System.io account, which is a landing page builder. And this way, all you need to do is point and click and edit the information and customize it to your business. And this is completely free. You don't have to spend the money. Remember, I told you all of this was going to be all 100% organic traffic without spending a dime. Now, if you want to learn how to do a lot of this stuff step by step, I did create an affiliate marketing video course. Right now, I'm selling it for $27. Regular price is $297. The link for that is down below. I'm looking for 10 people to test it, go through it. But I walk you step by step how to create your offer, how to package it, how to select the platform that you're marketing on, all of that stuff, in which has made me over $10,000 in affiliate marketing, because I have the whole purpose, which is to make $10,000 in 90 days or less. That's the whole point of the course, make your first $10,000. So I showed you how AI can build your own business. Does it actually make you money online? Yes, I do it every single day. It makes my posts. Makes my video scripts. It even helped me script this video right here. And it's all 100% organic, free traffic. Listen, I can give you advice all day and every day, but really what you have to do is execution. And if I'm honest with you, it's 1:15 in the morning, my time. I was actually supposed to be going to bed about an hour ago. I got busy. I practiced what I preach. I told myself I would create this video before going to bed, and here I am. You must execute. if you want to make money online. So now, if you want to make $1,000 commissions like me, or like plenty of other people here online, because people are doing it any day, every day and all day, I'm not some guru. I don't claim to be a guru, but I will tell you what has worked for me. Go ahead, check out Pop. I have a link down below. I highly recommend it. You learn how to build a business online for any niche, in any market, any skill set, whether you're a newbie or an expert, and you also get access to those MRR rights, which bring you $1,000 commissions. When you need help, I'm there to help you as well. I provide some coaching that goes along with it for free. You're not alone in this journey. Now, if you really want to make some extra money online and you really want to build a business with AI, go ahead and click this video right here. This is really how I use AI. This was just a taste, an appetizer, an introduction, if you may, as to how I use AI to build an online business. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, road to 10,000, help your boy out, support me. Check my links down below in the description. We'll see you guys in the next video.